Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. Today, I will discuss the topic, Educational Philosophy of Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. Let us first try to understand brief life sketch of Sri Aurobindo. Sri Aurobindo, born on August 15, 1872, in Calcutta, now Kolkata, India, was a philosopher, poet, yogi, and spiritual leader. His early years were marked by a prominent role in India's struggle for independence, but he later withdrew from active politics to delve into spiritual pursuits. Sri Aurobindo's teachings and philosophy revolved around the synthesis of spiritual and earthly existence. He founded the Sri Aurobindo Ashram in Pondicherry, where he continued his spiritual work until his passing on December 5, 1950. Let me now discuss the educational philosophy of Sri Aurobindo. 1. Integral education. Sri Aurobindo, education is the manifestation of the divine perfection already existing in man. Sri Aurobindo envisioned education as a process of integral development, harmonizing the physical, vital, mental, and spiritual dimensions of the individual. Integral education seeks to unfold the latent divine potential within each person. 2. Evolutionary vision. Sri Aurobindo, man is a transitional being, he is not final. The step from man to Superman is the next approaching achievement in the Earth's evolution. Sri Aurobindo's philosophy recognized the evolving nature of humanity. Education, in his view, plays a vital role in facilitating the evolution of individuals towards a higher consciousness, transcending current limitations. 3. Spiritual basis. Sri Aurobindo, all true education is the expression of the spiritual potentialities of the present evolving within the individual. The core of Sri Aurobindo's educational philosophy lies in the recognition of the spiritual essence within each individual. Education, therefore, should be a means of revealing and nurturing this spiritual potential. 4. Harmony of knowledge and character. Sri Aurobindo, true knowledge is not attained by thinking. It is what you are, it is what you become. Sri Aurobindo emphasized the inseparable connection between knowledge and character. True education, in his philosophy, goes beyond the mere acquisition of information. It transforms the individual's being, shaping character and values. 5. Transformation of consciousness. Sri Aurobindo, education is the dynamic side of philosophy. Education, according to Sri Aurobindo, is intricately linked to the transformation of consciousness. It is not just about intellectual development but involves a profound inner awakening and a shift in one's awareness. Aims of education according to Sri Aurobindo. 1. Integral development. The primary aim of education in the philosophy of Sri Aurobindo is the integral development of individuals. This encompasses the harmonious growth of the physical, vital, mental, and spiritual dimensions, fostering a balanced and well-rounded personality. 2. Spiritual awakening. Education aims to awaken the spiritual essence within each individual. Sri Aurobindo believes in revealing and nurturing the divine potential present in every person, guiding them towards a deeper understanding of their spiritual nature. 3. Evolutionary progress. The aim is to align education with the ongoing evolution of humanity. Sri Aurobindo sees education as a catalyst for the evolutionary progress of individuals, leading them towards higher states of consciousness and self-awareness. 4. Character transformation. Education is not merely about acquiring knowledge, it is a transformative process that shapes character. The aim is to instill values, ethics, and a sense of purpose, contributing to the positive evolution of individuals. Curriculum design according to Sri Aurobindo. 1. Holistic and integral curriculum. The curriculum is designed to be holistic, addressing all dimensions of human existence, physical, vital, mental, and spiritual. It integrates subjects and activities that contribute to the comprehensive development of individuals. 2. Spiritual and ethical content. Sri Aurobindo's curriculum includes spiritual and ethical content. It seeks to provide students with a deeper understanding of spiritual principles and moral values, guiding them towards a purposeful and meaningful life. 3. Mindfulness and self-discovery. The curriculum incorporates practices of mindfulness and self-discovery. Students are encouraged to explore their inner selves, fostering self-awareness and understanding as integral components of the learning process. Methods of teaching according to Sri Aurobindo. 1. Spiritual practices. Approach. Teaching methods include spiritual practices such as meditation and introspection. These practices are integrated into the educational process to facilitate spiritual growth and self-realization. 2. Integral and experiential learning. Sri Aurobindo's methods emphasize integral and experiential learning. Students engage in activities that provide direct experiences, allowing them to grasp concepts not only intellectually but also through personal involvement. 3. Self-paced and collaborative learning. The learning environment supports self-paced learning, recognizing the individual journey of each student. Collaboration is encouraged, fostering a sense of collective growth where students contribute to each other's development. 4. Transformative dialogue. Teaching involves transformative dialogues and discussions. The aim is to create an environment where ideas can be exchanged, perspectives can be shared, and collective insights lead to a deeper understanding of the subject matter and oneself. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shoking Bilal.